Mastering everyday English. Use insect repellent, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very practical and useful phrase that you might encounter in everyday English, especially if you love spending time outdoors. Use insect repellent. Understanding this phrase can help you navigate situations involving outdoor activities, camping, or simply enjoying a beautiful day in the park. So, let's get started and unpack what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. The phrase, use insect repellent, is composed of two main parts, use and insect repellent. Use is a verb that means to apply or employ something for a particular purpose. It's a very common verb that you'll see in many different contexts. Insect repellent is a noun phrase that refers to a substance applied to skin, clothing, or other surfaces which discourages insects, such as mosquitoes, ticks, or fleas, from landing or climbing on that surface. Insect repellents can come in many forms, including sprays, lotions, and wipes. When someone says, use insect repellent, they're advising or instructing you to apply a substance that will keep insects away from you. This is particularly useful advice in areas where insects are not only annoying but may also carry diseases. Understanding when and why to use insect repellent is crucial for your health and comfort. Here are some scenarios where this advice might come in handy. When you're outdoors, especially during warmer months, insects are more active. Whether you're hiking, camping, or simply having a picnic, using insect repellent can enhance your outdoor experience by keeping pests at bay. In insect-prone areas, if you're traveling to or living in an area known for a high population of mosquitoes or other biting insects, it's wise to use insect repellent regularly to protect yourself from bites that could lead to health issues. To prevent diseases, many insects are carriers of diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, and Lyme disease. Applying insect repellent can be a critical step in preventing these illnesses. Using insect repellent correctly is key to maximizing its effectiveness. Here are some tips. Read the label. Different repellents have different instructions. Make sure to read and follow the label for the best protection. Apply it to exposed skin. Apply repellent to all skin that's exposed. If you're also using sunscreen, apply the sunscreen first and the repellent afterward. Reapply as needed. Depending on the repellent's formula and your activity level, you may need to reapply it every few hours. Use just enough. More isn't always better. Use just enough repellent to cover exposed skin and clothing. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, use insect repellent, and why it's important to understand and follow this advice in certain situations. Remember, using insect repellent is not just about avoiding discomfort from bites. It's also about protecting your health. Whether you're planning an adventure in the great outdoors or just spending time in your backyard, keeping this phrase in mind can make your experience much more enjoyable. Stay safe and happy learning.